We'll now create two reports on dealer sales, one detailed and one summary. You know how database reporting is typically a nightmare? Well, we've made it a dream. Columnar reports lets you easily group and total your data. You simply select the report type, the table, and your fields, and drag them into the report. Infodome lets you design a report and preview the data at the same time for your ease. Let's group this report by date using the blue field menu triangles. In an instant, our dealer sales are grouped by quarter. Now we'll group by dealer within each quarter. That took another second or two. We'd like the actual sale date, so we'll drag that back in. To rearrange report columns, just drag and drop. You can easily customize the report the way you want it. Wait a minute, we'd like product cost information from the products table. No problem. We'll just create a relation so we can create a relational report. Infodome makes it easy to create relations. Select the tables and the fields to be related, and voila, when you're done, the product table appears in the report and we can drag out the cost field. No need to write a query or anything that complicated. Just drag out the field into the report. Infodome makes it easy to add formulas to your report. Here we'll create the margin on sales by clicking columns similar to Excel. We'll create a new column called margin, double-click in it to put the equal sign, then click the sale amount column, the minus sign, and click the cost column. You can enter simple formulas or you can use the advanced formula editor with lots of functions and operators. Now that we have our margin, we can remove the cost field from the report. It's still used in the margin formula. Now let's take a few seconds to total our sales and margins per dealer. Select the field and total. Repeat for margin. That's it. We see the totals in the report. We'll add a header and footer for the report and format them, and then we'll generate the report to show all the records, the subtotals, and the grand totals at the bottom. Generate report also makes the report available for users who have rights to the report. Reporting on your data doesn't get any easier or faster than with Infodome. Let's add a summary report of dealer sales. Summary reports make it easy to see the big picture and get business intelligence. Fields are automatically grouped. We'll choose month and change it later. Numeric fields can be automatically totaled. We'll drag out sale amount, select sum, and see total sales by month. Now let's add in the dealers and boom, the totals update. We can change the date intervals to quarters on the fly to analyze the data. Just click generate and this 30-second report is ready to share.